Ever pondered over the art of applying false eyelashes? Fret no more. Today, the secret to achieving a flawless, fluttery lash look unfolds right here. Firstly, arm yourself with a pair of false eyelashes and some eyelash glue. The key lies in choosing lashes that complement the shape of your eyes and the look you aim to create. Now the journey begins with delicately removing the false eyelashes from their casing. Caution is the watchword here, as the lashes are quite fragile. The next step involves applying a thin, even layer of eyelash glue along the band of the false lashes. A little extra glue at the ends of the lashes ensures better adhesion. Once the glue is on, allow it about 20 to 30 seconds to become tacky. This waiting period is crucial as it ensures that the lashes stick properly to your eyelids. And now, the magic unfolds. Carefully place the false eyelashes as close to your natural lash line as possible. Using a pair of tweezers or your fingers, start by aligning the center of the lashes with the center of your eyelid, then gently press down the inner and outer corners. Now secure the lashes in place. Use your fingers or a lash applicator to press down the entire band, ensuring it's firmly attached. Voila! You've now mastered the art of applying false eyelashes in a few simple steps. Remember, it's all about practice. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Soon, you'll be applying false lashes like a pro. In summary, the steps to achieving the perfect lash look include choosing the right lashes, applying the glue, allowing it to become tacky, aligning the lashes with your natural lash line, and finally, securing them in place. Thank you for joining in today. Do give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay fabulous. Goodbye.